Hello everybody, this is Dennis and it's my review to Garmadon's castle. Well, I destroyed it a little bit. You can see some of my Lego minifigures. It's just, I made it myself. Pretty cool. Mia and another kind of mean. Sexaya! And my favorite, it's a Garmadon face, really cool. So this might be on my Lego video. I'm gonna do lots of them. I'm just gonna talk. I might not do like a normal one because I can't really do that. Now I'll try to do one. Do one right now. Okay, see you. So that was a lot, but still, cool, yeah, bro. Okay, I'm gonna download this movie, so rock and roll, dude.